Hello, little friends. It's Lucy here. Today, Lucy is going to take you on a fun adventure to explore 3 amazing nature worlds. A cool green forest with tall trees and animal friends playing happily. A clear blue beach where little fish swim, splash, splash. A sunny yellow desert with lots and lots of sand and some very special animals too. Come on, open the door to your imagination and let's play, learn, and explore together. First, Lucy spreads a blue piece of paper in the middle of the table. Next, Lucy places 2 small mountains with waterfalls in the center. Drip, drop. The water flows down. Remember to leave space around it for the beach. Now, Lucy gently spreads orange sand next to the water. Softly, softly, this is our hot desert. Next comes the green forest. Lucy spreads green sand nice and evenly. Then, Lucy adds yellow sand along the water to make a warm, sunny beach. Finally, Lucy places colorful stones around the water to help us tell the forest, ocean, and desert apart. Now it's time to add the scenery. First, Lucy puts some dry trees in the desert, then adds little bushes and tiny flowers. Lucy also places cactus plants and dry rocks. The desert is hot, but very special. Next, Lucy places big rocks and tall trees in the forest. Wow, it looks so cool and peaceful. Lucy even makes a cute little wooden path. At the beach, Lucy plants palm trees and small plants on the yellow sand. It looks just like a fun summer beach. And don't forget to place coral and starfish in the blue ocean. Do you think this model is beautiful and interesting? If you like it, please like and subscribe so Lucy can make more lovely models for you. Now, let's explore the animals together. Pandas are very cute animals. They have special black and white fur. Pandas live in bamboo forests. They love eating bamboo. They move slowly and are very gentle. Pandas love to eat and sleep. Deer. Deer live in the forest. They have long legs to run fast. Deer eat grass and leaves. Male deer have beautiful antlers. They are shy and careful. Deer can run very fast. Hedgehog. Hedgehogs are small land animals. They have many sharp spines on their backs. The spines help protect them. When scared, they curl into a ball. They are active at night. They eat insects and fruits. Squirrels are great tree climbers. They have long, fluffy tails. They love eating nuts and seeds. They are very quick and playful. They jump from branch to branch. Squirrels live mostly in forests. Capybara. Capybaras live near water. They are excellent swimmers. They eat grass. They like living in groups. They are gentle and friendly. They look round and cute. Rabbit. Rabbits are small and very cute. They have long ears to hear well. Rabbits hop quickly and lightly. They love eating grass and carrots. Their fur is soft and fluffy. Rabbits live on land. Groundhog. Groundhogs live in underground burrows. They are very good at digging. They have small bodies. They eat plant roots. They live in groups. They are active during the day. Polar bears live in very cold places. They have thick white fur to stay warm. They are very big animals. They swim very well in cold water. They eat meat. They are strong Arctic animals. Seal. Seals live near the ocean. They have round, smooth bodies. They swim very fast. They eat fish. They love resting in the sun. They live in groups. Walruses have long tusks. They live in cold ocean areas. They have very large bodies. They are strong swimmers. They eat sea animals. They often live in groups. Clownfish. Clownfish are bright orange and white. They live in coral reefs. They stay close to sea anemones. They swim quickly and lightly. They are small fish. Many children love them. Shrimp. Shrimp live in the water. They have hard shells. They have many little legs. They can swim backward. They live in oceans and rivers. They are very small. Triggerfish. Triggerfish have colorful bodies. They live in the ocean. They swim slowly. Their skin is thick and strong. They use spines to protect themselves. They live near coral reefs. Zebra. Zebras live on grasslands. They have black and white stripes. They can run very fast. They eat grass. They live in groups. Their stripes look very special. Red fox. Red foxes have orange-red fur. They have long, bushy tails. They are very smart. They are good hunters. They are active at night. They live in forests. Giraffe. Giraffes are very tall animals. They have long, special necks. They eat leaves from tall trees. They live on the savanna. They are gentle animals. Their necks are very long. Bearded dragon. Bearded dragons are lizards. They live in the desert. They love basking in the sun. They eat insects. Their skin feels rough. They are good climbers. Turtle. Turtles have hard shells. They move very slowly. They can live on land or in water. They live a very long time. They eat plants and fish. They are very gentle. Camel. Camels live in the desert. They have humps on their backs. They can go a long time without water. They can walk very far. They eat dry grass. They are strong desert animals. Tiger. Tigers are very strong animals. They have orange and black stripes. They run very fast when hunting. They eat meat. They are excellent hunters. They live in forests. Lions live on wide savannas. Male lions have big, fluffy manes. They are called the king of the jungle. They live in groups called prides. They eat meat. Their roar is very loud. Kangaroos live in Australia. They can jump very far. They have a pouch on their belly. Baby kangaroos live in the pouch. They eat grass. They jump with strong back legs. Leopards have beautiful spotted fur. They can run very fast. They are great tree climbers. They hunt at night. They live in forests. They are quick and agile. Wow! Today we traveled through the forest, the ocean, and the desert. We met many amazing animals along the way. Thank you for exploring this little world with Lucy. See you next time in another magical model world.